Question 1. Jane and Joshua share a sum of money. Jane receives $2,500. If Jane gets $120 less, the amount of money Joshua gets will increase by 8%. So find the sum of money. Okay, so we know that Jane and Joshua share a sum of money. So if Jane gets $120 less, this means that Joshua gets $120 more. And we know that Joshua's amount of money increases by 8%. So we can write that 8% of Joshua's share is equals to $120. So in order to find the sum of money, we want to find the amount of money Joshua gets when Jane receives $2,500. So we have to find 100% of Joshua's share. So 100% of Joshua's share will be, we know that 8% of Joshua's share represents $120. So we want to find the value of 1% first. So we take 120 divided by 8. So this is 1% worth of Joshua's share. And you want to find 100%. So we take this times 100. And this gives us $15 times 100, which is equals to $1,500. So now we can find the sum of money. So the sum of money would be the amount Jane received, which is $2,500, plus the amount Joshua received, which is $1,500. And this would be equals to $4,000. So let's write our final sentence. The sum of money is $4,000. And this is your final answer.